Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I have an altered egg carton to share with you today. This is something I've made for my secret sister. So I joined an event with the Facebook group Boho Daydreams, and this is an ongoing event. It lasts till the end of the year. So I will not be posting this until long after Easter is over, and so probably not until around next Easter, but I really have fun making this. This is a project that I've had pinned on my Pinterest board for a long time, and so I'm happy to make this for my secret sister and look forward to making one for myself because I think it turned out so cute. But anyways, I the first thing that I did was spray paint the entire outside of the carton with a blush pink, and this is just one of those cardboard cartons. And then once that was dry, I went and dry brushed with white gesso, and I think that just really softened it up and made it just a little bit more shabby in color and style, because it's got, some parts of the white thicker than others, and um, I just really like how that turned out. It's just a soft, pretty color. And I was flipping through my page to see if I had any Easter in my stash, because I'm really, really trying hard not to purchase anything new. I've only purchased one bone paper collection um, since long before January. So, like, I want to say since November, I think. Um, but um, so I'm pretty proud of myself for that. But I had this few sheets of this Woodland and Friends that I was going to use to make as tags, and when I came across this, I was so fortunate to have had a bunny paper in there. And so this paper had the bunnies all over it with this cute collaging of flowers and everything, and kind of pinks and blues and browns. And I thought this would be so pretty on here. And it wouldn't be just so, you know, like kid Easter, just a little bit more of a bit of a shabby Easter. And I thought that would be really pretty. So I was happy with that. And so I just traced the paper and um, cut it out and glued it on here. I had some of this pink lace that I've just kind of snipped in places so it would kind of curve around, and then or some places I've kind of folded it over, and so it's hugging the corners a little bit there, and got a little bit up here. And then the flowers here, and these little berries and these little white flowers came in a package, and these I got at Hobby Lobby, but it is a Prima brand. And then the blue flowers are from Renee Bouquets, and this is the Timeless Blue package, and it comes with these roses and the rose buds and these little flowers here. And then these other little teeny tiny flowers are also from Renee Bouquets, and this is the Timeless Blue, and this is the pink. And they come in variations from this size to this size, so you get an entire package of little itty bitty teeny tiny flowers. So really fun to be able to decorate with little teeny tiny flowers here and there. Um, and then I've got some baker's twine, and it's like a brown with an off-white, and that's looped here and there throughout. And then I have a little bit of clear ribbon here, and then I've topped it off with these cute little Easter eggs that I am not sure where I got these. Um, in this size anyway. I got these a couple of years ago, and I just can't remember where I got them. And then this cute little resin bunny, and I can't remember where I got that either. Um, I've had them for a while now. The eggs inside I just got at Hobby Lobby this year, but I wish I could tell you. Um, and then I was in my original plan was to decorate with flowers and put a sentiment here. But once I found this paper and used it, I couldn't cover up the bunnies. They're just too cute. So what I ended up doing was fussy cutting these three and just popping them up over the corresponding um, bunny underneath. And I just think that came out really cute. And it doesn't interrupt the whole bunny floral thing. I just think that's really pretty. And so I'm going to open this up here. And I didn't spray paint the inside. I just thought that would be too much. And then wasn't sure where I was going with the decorating on the inside anyway. So, but this is the second piece of paper that I had. And this is the B side. Um, and I don't know the names of the papers, so I couldn't tell you, but and then with the B side of the bunny papers, this pink, and I used that to make the banner pieces and these little scalloped circles. I used the A and the B side, and then the letters are just cut out from a green cardstock that I had in my stash, and then topped it with these little bows here with the baker's twine. A little bit dimensional, but I couldn't go really dimensional because I need to make sure the lid would close. But did as much dimension as I could, and then I was really pleased that this chipboard piece fit in there because I really wanted to tie in more of the bunnies, and so I thought that was really cute. And then just added that sheer ribbon. Then I had some paper mache eggs that I was going to paint and put in here, and they didn't fit. Apparently this is not an extra large egg carton. I don't even know if those paper maches will fit in those, and I'm going to have to find out because I have all these paper mache eggs that might not fit in an egg carton. So, anyway, oh, and I do apologize about my stuffy nose, you guys. It's spring, and it's the wind has been blowing, and my allergies are just really kicking in. Everything's blooming right now. Anyway, I do apologize for the sniffling. I know that's really annoying. But I have to get this video done so I can get this out today. So anyway, I've just used some craft colored shred, and mostly it's tucked in on the sides, just enough on the bottom to keep it from moving around anywhere. And then I just needed to make sure the eggs would fit in the carton. And so I just hot glued those down. And these eggs I got at Hobby Lobby, and they had two different colors. And this was the softer, shabbier colors. And I just think that matches so perfect with the paper. I'm just really pleased how that turned out. And then fussy cut a couple more bunnies and tucked them in there. And I've got another one of these little resin bunnies here. And then those little mini flowers tucked in here and there. So I think it just came out really super cute, and I'm really happy with it. So, and I hope my secret sister is too. So I'm not going to close it down because it's squeaky noisy on the camera. But anyway, if you guys would like to see what else I make for my secret sister, make sure you hit that little notification bell and subscribe. And I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. That just really helps me. And I'd love to have you join me. So I'll catch you guys next time. And thanks for watching. Have a happy Easter, everybody. Bye.